march, elbow lever and the meat hook workout. We're doing the single arm reverse meat hook. So with this one, you want to imagine if you've done the double arm reverse meat hook, so you've gone to that inverted hang into the arch, you've done the one leg each side, and then you've kind of up to the double leg one, and even if you're only up to the single leg one, it's the same feeling that you're going for. So in the ring I bend forward, so imagine I've got like the two rings like that, but then there's one arm free, because this is what you're working towards, but instead of having a second ring for support, I've got my foot on the ground for support. And then I'm trying to reach this leg behind me as much as possible, open up overhead to get as much weight into that arm and out of the foot in that shape. So you've got to kind of make it hard for yourself. So you're in that nice hang, and then here reaching his arm up overhead. So really trying to activate and control. And you want to get as much pressure as you can with the back of the forearm against the back of the body, and condition the shoulder in that position, and the ribs especially. That's where you feel it the most, is in the core. It's that core stability. Through there is that pressure going into the ribs, and then getting that stability through the shoulder. You have to take that force through there. But the pressure of the arm on the back in the center of mass is what allows you to get the other leg off. The second one is just a single arm elbow lever. So you want to find that nice position where you've got that in that kind of little pocket there. You can work it without taking the limbs off, just keeping the limbs on the ground, and just do it to strengthen that pressure there, and then work one limb at a time, and then take all limbs once you've kind of developed enough pressure and you've got that balance. So if I come down like that, take that elbow into the center, and then just hold that, and that will strengthen it. And then you can take the arm out, take the legs off, and then work towards that balance. And that's with all of the stuff, you want to try and make sure both sides are even. I find my right hand arm is just easier to position, so you're always trying to find balance with it, strengthen the other side. Get to it, enjoy it. 4 rounds of that. We normally work 30 seconds for both the sides on the meat hook, and then 30-second rest, 30 seconds for both sides on that, and 30 rest, but whatever works for you. If you need longer, take longer. 4 sets of it's a good amount of time to get some skill adaptation, but a lot of it's to do with that kind of core stability and strength.